Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, hey girl. So today I wanted to show you guys how I install my clip-in hair extensions. There are quite a few different ways that you can do this, but I wanted to show you guys how I do it, and I'm going to be featuring Goo Goo Hair Extensions. So let's just jump right into this. I received one pack of clip-in hair extensions from Goo Goo Hair Extensions, and this is what the packaging looks like. Cute, right? With all their little information on the back. This is what comes with it. The hair comes in its own separate plastic container. You get a hair clip, and of course you get instructions on how to install the hair extensions. However, I have been doing hair for a long time, and I'm going to install them the way I like to install them. So like I said, I got one bundle of their 20-inch hair extensions, 100% human Remy hair. I get jet black because my hair is obviously black. All right, so I didn't grab a brush, so let's just use my comb. So this is what they look like out of the pack initially. Nice and thick. Let me move my hair out of the way so you guys can actually see the density of it. And like I said, this is just one bundle. Clip-ins are ideal for anyone who don't want to deal with the maintenance of actually having to wear hair extensions or paying someone for an install or spending hours installing yourself. Clip-ons are super easy and just super convenient. And if you've never tried hair extensions before, I would definitely recommend getting a pair of clip-in hair extensions. They are the easiest application, and they are just the easiest in terms of maintenance. So we love a good clip-in. Now this set comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. And I'll show you guys what they look like. So you get two small clips, okay? And these are what the clips look like. Really small, really discreet. This is what the wefts look like. Nice and thin. I don't see any shedding. 2 medium-sized clips. Again, no shedding. And there's 2 clips, 2 more medium-sized clips, a little bit larger than the last ones. These ones have 3 clips in them. You get 1 large clip, and that has 4 clips in it. You're gonna need a hair clip, you're gonna need a comb, and some hairspray. So I use the one with 3 clips first for my first clip that I put in. And I just do my first parting at the nape of my neck. And then I go in and I tease it with my teasing comb. And I go in and hairspray it a little bit. Clip. Just tease it again. And then I'm gonna put one more little clip right here. Flip this back over. Again, I'm using my weft with 2 clips. Do one more right here. Okay. Now you're gonna gently brush the hair. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Look at how pretty this hair is. I literally didn't even have to flat iron it. Like I have my flat iron plugged in. I don't even need to flat iron it. It just blends so seamlessly with my hair. It looks so beautiful. It's silky, it's thick, it's soft. There was no shedding, as you guys saw. If you are someone who is in the market for some new hair extensions, go check out Goo Goo Hair. I will leave all of their information listed below in the description box. I also have a 20% off discount code for you guys, so go take advantage of it. Again, that will be in the description box as well. Thank you, Goo Goo Hair. I love these hair extensions, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before leaving. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one.